as we draw and color something magical, a cute girl witch. Let's get started. She's not a spooky witch, she's fun and full of magic. Witches in stories aren't always scary. Some are kind, like our cute witch. Witches are often seen wearing pointy hats, just like the one we're drawing today. Look, the girl witch's eyes are now wide open. I think she likes to take in her surroundings. In many stories, witches ride broomsticks through the sky. Whoosh! Did you know that witches' pets are often black cats or owls? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Some witches are great at making potions. Maybe our witch is making something sweet like candy. Witches have been in stories for hundreds of years. Some even use magic to help others. Perfect! Our cute girl witch is all drawn. Did you have fun drawing her? Now, let's make her colorful. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Hi, little artists! Do you like my hat? It's pointy and magical. I love your hat too. Do I need a broom? It will help me to fly high. I think a broomstick is so cool. Where would you fly if you had one?
How high should I fly? Up to the clouds or just above the trees? Do you like my dress? What color should it be? Purple, green, or something super magical?
Oh, I love colorful dresses. How does our drawing of her dress look to you?
Would you give me a fun pet like a cat or an owl? Which one would you draw with me?
Should we draw a black cat next to her? Or maybe a bat flying around? What do you think? Our witch is special because she's a friendly, playful witch who loves using her magic for fun. Many witches are shown with a cauldron, where they mix their magic potions.
Do you like how we're drawing her? I can't wait to see how your witch turns out.
Nice work! Our cute witch is all finished, and she looks absolutely magical. What do you think of the colors we chose? I bet your witch looks just as amazing. Don't forget to show off your magical artwork to someone special. We had so much fun drawing together today. Keep being creative, and we'll see you soon.